Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping quickly. Put on gloves, grab a Phillips 10mm socket and plastic trim pry. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 5 minutes so airbag capacitors drain. This protects you and the electronics. Next, remove visible screws from the center bezel and lower glove trim to expose the dashboard fasteners. Once done, pry gently with the trim tool along the glove opening to free clips. Move with steady pressure. Don't hurry small clips or they will break. Now focus on the instrument cluster itself. Remove the 3 to 4 mounting screws holding the cluster. Use a parts tray so nothing gets lost. Tilt the cluster forward slowly. You'll see 2 or 3 electrical connectors and locking tabs. Identify them and take a photo if needed. Depress each locking tab and pull each connector straight out. Do not yank at wires. Once disconnected, maneuver the cluster out of the dash aperture, guiding any sharp edges away from the face to avoid scratching. Finish by removing the last dash bolts and lifting the dashboard section evenly. Use a partner for weight and to avoid twisting. Inspect all connectors, clips, and foam seals. Replace any broken clips so the dash sits flush on reassembly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the vehicle and verify gauges, backlighting, and warning lights. This proves proper reconnection. If a gauge or light faults, make sure connectors are seated and fuses intact. Loose pins are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.